Today, I'm going to talk to you about a subject that concerns us all, the youth and tone of our face. Over time, the skin loses its elasticity, the muscles sag and the oval of the face sags, and these signs, sometimes discreet, sometimes more pronounced, can make us feel like they no longer reflect the energy we feel on the inside. Facial exercises, a scientifically validated method. For several years, scientific research has focused on the effectiveness of specific movement exercises of the mouth and jaw, commonly known as facial gymnastics. Several studies, including one conducted by Dr. Murad Alam, professor of dermatology at Northwestern University, JAMA Dermatology, 2018, have shown that regular exercise targeting the muscles of the face can significantly improve muscle tone, firm the oval of the face and reduce the visible signs of aging. The principle is simple: just as we maintain the muscles of our body, it is possible to strengthen the muscles of the face. By specifically soliciting the muscles around the mouth, cheeks, and jaw, blood circulation is stimulated, collagen production is promoted and the contours of the face are gradually redefined. The results, although progressive, are proven: a firmer face, sharper features, a rejuvenated appearance. The limits of manual exercises. But let's be honest, practicing these exercises takes time, rigor, and patience. You have to stick to daily sessions, sometimes long and tedious, and it is not always easy to maintain motivation over time. Many give up due to lack of quick results or lack of time. Our innovative solution. Muscle stimulation. Adapted to the face, we have developed a miniaturized muscle stimulation system, inspired by the electrical stimulators used for years to strengthen the muscles of the neck, back or abdominals, but, and this is the difference, our technology has been specifically adapted to the finesse and sensitivity of the facial muscles. Thanks to gentle and perfectly calibrated electrical impulses, our device reproduces the natural contractions of the facial muscles, without any effort on your part. In a few minutes a day, comfortably seated, you get the same benefits as an intensive facial gymnastics session, but without constraint, without fatigue, and above all without the risk of performing the movements incorrectly. Why choose electrical stimulation? Recent studies, notably published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology, 2020, confirm that neuromuscular electrical stimulation applied to the face improves muscle tone, increases skin firmness and redefines the oval of the face, while being well tolerated and non-invasive. In short, our muscle stimulation system gives you the best of both worlds: the proven effectiveness of facial exercises, without the drudgery of manual sessions. You save time, you stay motivated, and above all, you see concrete, visible, lasting results. Don't wait any longer to restore your face to its youthfulness and vitality, simply, effectively, and safely. You can find the link to our website in the video description below.